Sex desire is the most powerful of human desires. When driven by this desire, men develop keenness of imagination, courage, willpower, persistence, and creative ability, unknown to them at other times. So strong and impelling is the desire for sexual contact that men freely run the risk of life and reputation to indulge in it when harnessed and redirected into other channels. This motivating force brings about imagination, courage, and discipline, which may be used as powerful creative forces in literature, art, of other professions, including, of course, the accumulation of riches. All men transmute. Some choose to use their sex energy to level up, whilst others to destroy themselves. Without complete submission, undistracted devotion, and absolute obedience, one can never be free. These are the three horsemen that guard the path to sex transformation and transmutation. Sexual energy is divided into three distinct groups. The first, the energy for reproduction. Second, the energy that controls our thoughts, feelings, and will. And the most important of all, it's the energy that is submerged deep within the world of pure spirits. Sexual transmutation is simply and easily explained. It means the switching of the mind from thoughts of physical expression to thoughts of some other nature. When driven by his sex energy, man becomes gifted with a powerful force for action. My brother, listen carefully. Sexual transmutation is simple, yet painful. It is the developing of courage, willpower, persistence, creativity, and vast imagination by harnessing and channeling the power of your sexual energy. Our sexual energy, when not properly mastered, is transformed into anger. A wise man governs his eyes, not because it is wrong to delight in beauty, but because otherwise his delight may suffer transmutation into something very different. Once you have uncovered the secrets of mastering your sexual energy, you will feel a peace that you may have never known. Strong desire is like a river. As long as it flows within the banks of God's will, be the current strong or weak, all is well. But when it overruns those boundaries and seeks its own channels, then disaster lurks in the rampage below. The great sexual energy that one has on abstinence can be transformed into art, poetry, dance, and inventions. The transmutation of sexual desire drives the creative imagination. I've learned that it is never good to repress anything in life. Repression is another form of postponing. In other words, whatever you repress will eventually catch up to you. The men of greatest achievements are men with highly developed sex discipline. Men who have learned the art of sex transmutation.